and then it sort of brings to light, like, some stuff that people may be struggling with. And then you have
Mm.
like an opener to work with people. But we can invite people to book in.
Yeah.
By messaging us.
Yeah. Okay. Let's feel into it a little bit.
Mm.
And
Oh,
whether we go
we
with
can
that.
even do that with we could do that with probably any of the protocols.
Mm.
So we can say, are you struggling with relationships? And then go through the string stuff and untangle that.